Alright, budget beauty seekers, listen up. If you want radiant, youthful skin, but don't want to drop big bucks on fancy creams, this 20-cent face mask is about to change your skincare game. Here's the secret, the clear part of an egg. Yep, just the egg white. Crack an egg, separate the white, toss it in a bowl, and give it a quick whisk. Now gently brush a thin layer over your whole face. Wait 15 to 20 minutes until it dries and tightens. Trust me, you'll feel your skin firming up. This step alone smooths wrinkles, lightens dark spots, and calms redness. But let's level up. What if I told you the real game changer is right there in that same egg? If you guessed the yolk, you nailed it. Egg yolk is packed with vitamin A, D, E, K, B vitamins, literally a nutrient bomb for your skin. Mix the yolk into your egg white, and if you want bonus points, add a teaspoon of plain unsweetened yogurt for a probiotic punch. Apply the blend, relax for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water and pat dry. Do this twice a week and you're golden. And don't forget, eat more eggs. I eat 4 a day. They're a superfood working from the inside out. Fry them in olive oil, butter, or coconut oil, never seed oils. Want next level skin healing? Click the video right here and I'll show you how to transform your skin from the inside out. Don't miss it.